Credit card debt is the most dangerous kind of debt, not because of the amount, but because of the interest rate. And if you're carrying a balance, you're losing a battle you don't even know you're fighting. The average credit card interest rate is over 22%, and the average household carries about $6,000 in credit card debt. That means you're paying over $1,300 a year just in interest. Money that could be in your pocket. Let's do the math. If you have $6,000 at 22% interest and only pay the minimum, it'll take you over 15 years to pay off, and you'll pay over $8,500 total. That's $2,500 in pure interest. For what? Nothing. But here's the good news. You can get out. You can do it faster than you think. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to pay off your credit card debt step by step. So if you're ready to stop paying interest and start building wealth, stick with me. Let's get you out of credit card debt. Fast. Step 1. You can't fix what you don't measure. The first thing you need to do is list every single credit card debt you have. For each card, write down the balance and the interest rate. Don't guess. Log into your accounts and get the exact numbers. Put it on a whiteboard, a spreadsheet, or a piece of paper. Make it visible. This is your debt map. You'll refer to it often. Add up the total. This is your starting line. Don't be scared. Every journey starts with knowing where you are. Notice which cards have the highest interest rates. Those are your biggest enemies. They're costing you the most money every month. Once you have your list, you're ready for step 2. You have your map. Now let's choose your weapon. Step 2. You need a payoff strategy. There are 2 main methods: debt Snowball and debt Avalanche. I covered them in detail in another video, but let me summarize. Snowball attacks the smallest balance first. It doesn't care about interest rates. You pay off the smallest debt as fast as possible, then roll that payment to the next. Avalanche attacks the highest interest rate first. It saves you the most money on interest, but your first debt might take longer to pay off. Which should you choose? If you need quick wins to stay motivated, choose Snowball. If you're disciplined and want to save the most money, choose Avalanche. Or create a hybrid. Attack the highest interest first, but if 2 debts have similar rates, attack the smaller one for a quick win. The important thing isn't which method you choose. It's that you choose one and start. The best method is the one you'll actually stick with. Step 3. You need to know how much money you can throw at your debt every month. This means creating a budget that works for you. Start with your monthly income after taxes. This is money coming in. Write it down. Now list your essential expenses: rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, insurance, the things you absolutely need to live. Subtract essentials from income. That's your remaining money. In this example, $4,000 minus $2,650 leaves $1,350. Now list your non-essential: dining out, subscriptions, shopping, entertainment. This is where you can cut back. Ask yourself, what can I cut? Maybe you don't need all those streaming services. Maybe you can eat out less. In this example, we cut non-essentials from $600 to $150. That's $450 extra per month to throw at debt. Plus the $1,350 from that's $1,800 a month for debt payoff. Be aggressive. This is temporary. You're not giving up these things forever. You're sacrificing now so you can be debt-free later. Every dollar you cut is a dollar that kills debt faster. Step 4. This is a step most people skip, but it can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Call your credit card company and ask for a lower interest rate. Pick up the phone. Call the number on the back of your card. Ask to speak to a representative. It's that simple. Here's what to say. I've been a customer for X years. I always pay on time. Can you lower my AP? I want to pay off my balance faster. Be polite but firm. You'd be surprised how often this works. Banks want to keep your business. A lower rate means more of your payment goes to the balance, not interest. Another option is a balance transfer card. These offer 0% interest for 12 to 18 months. You transfer your balance, pay a small fee, usually 3 to 5%, and then you have over a year to pay without interest. You pay $150. If you pay $400 a month, you'll pay it off in 30 months with 0 interest. But be careful. Don't use the old card again, and make sure you pay off the balance before the promo ends. Otherwise, you'll get hit with deferred interest on the original balance. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Banks want your business. A lower rate means you pay off debt faster. It's worth the 10-minute phone call. Step 5. Set up automatic payments and track your progress. This is how you stay consistent and motivated. Log into your credit card account and set up automatic payments. Pay the minimum on all cards and set an extra payment for the card you're attacking. Schedule it for right after your paycheck hits. That way, the money never sits in your account, tempting you to spend it. Now create a debt tracker. A simple spreadsheet or whiteboard. Track your total debt each month. Watch it go down. That's your motivation. Celebrate milestones. Every $1,000 you pay off is a victory. Every card you close is a win. Don't just pay debt, win against debt. Automate, track, celebrate. This system takes the stress out of debt payoff. You're not relying on willpower. You're relying on a system that works. Here's a bonus tip. You can only cut so much, but you can increase your income as much as you want. A side hustle can supercharge your debt payoff. Drive for Uber or DoorDash. Freelance on Fiverr or Upwork. Sell on Etsy. Tutor online. Walk dogs. There are dozens of ways to make extra money. Let's say you earn $500 extra a month. That's $6,000 a year. That could pay off a huge chunk of your debt in months, not years. It's temporary. A few months of grinding can save you years of payments. Think of it as buying your freedom with your time. Even if you can only earn $100 extra a month, that's $1,200 a year. Every dollar you earn is a dollar that kills debt faster. Don't underestimate what a little extra can do. Let's quickly recap your 5-step plan to get out of credit card debt. List your debts. Choose your payoff method. Create a budget. Negotiate with your bank. Automate and track. And bonus, increase your income with a side hustle. Here's your action plan. This week, list all your debts and call your bank to ask for a lower rate. This month, create your budget and make your first extra payment. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Money Mint for more simple money tips. Next time, we're talking about how to build an emergency fund from zero. You won't want to miss it. I'm Mr. Mint, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you can do this. Thousands of people have paid off their credit card debt. You're next. Start today. Your future self will thank you.